Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Decide your edit length target between 5 and 30 seconds. Choose resolution like 1080p or 4K and target 24 or 30 FPS. Specify aspect ratio, for example 16:9 or 1:1 for social platforms. Note copyright status and whether fair use applies to your project. Decide if you need isolated audio stems versus combined mixes for easier editing. List key timestamps or beats you want to hit in each clip. Prioritize clips by visual quality, motion, and emotional impact for better edits. Search legal sources like public domain archives, library collections, and licensed stock sites. Check distributor portals and festival resources when you need higher quality masters. Use timecode and timestamp markers to note exact in and out points for each clip. Verify licensing terms, duration limits, and allowed uses before downloading any footage. Download at target resolution, for example 1080p at 24 FPS. File name includes timestamps. Prefer originals or lossless transfers when possible to avoid recompression artifacts. Keep a record of source metadata like title, year, real number, and license. Create a folder structure with names like scene 0100-00-12 for clarity. Import original files into a project bin and attach a simple metadata sheet. Trim clips to desired in and out points, keeping final length between 5 and 30 seconds. Make safe backups and store checksum or UUID for every downloaded file. Transcode to editing format such as ProRes or H.264 at 1080p 24 FPS before importing. Normalize audio levels or grab isolated stems if you will adjust sound later. Label everything with license terms, allowable durations, and contact info for quick reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.